Why wait weeks and weeks for expensive repairs and replacements of bathtubs, sinks, ceramic tile, fiberglass shower stalls, or even laminate kitchen countertops? These can all be restored to like-new conditions using the right materials and procedures, and the results are incredible. Refinishing has made tearing out plumbing, ripping up floors, and damaging walls obsolete, and most people cannot tell any difference between a refinished surface and a new one. Why replace when you can restore? Save time and money by refinishing. Call for a free estimate today at 866-573-4920 or visit us online at www.tubsandtops.com.